We have a whole Abercrombie haul, and I'm so excited. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, if you love this video by the end, go ahead and subscribe. I have a certain goal that I'm trying to get to by the end of the year. And if you are already a part of the family, welcome back. Today I'm doing a try-on haul. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, okay? And if you guys are true supporters and you guys know it's been a while, you've been asking it, here we are, right? Today I'm gonna be doing a try-on haul with Abercrombie. This is not sponsored. I've just been too addicted to Abercrombie. And the reason being is, one, yes, I always say it, I've gained weight. And these jeans make me feel so happy with the weight gain because it fits me in all the proper places. So if you are a thick girl, if you're curvy, if you have a nice bomb shape, if you have a shape, if you just need jeans that fit you really well, you're gonna want to stay and continue watching this video because I'm telling you, everything I have in here is worth every dollar. I'm gonna also include one more denim in this haul that I didn't buy yesterday, but it's been one of my favorite jeans and I've been promoting it on Instagram and TikTok because I feel like every girl needs to have that pair of jeans or denim. So we have a whole Abercrombie haul. We're gonna go straight into each piece, each item. So I'm gonna scoot over to the left. So the first item that I'm gonna talk about is gonna be this cute white top. Guys, this top is so adorable and I feel like it can go with anything. So I kind of showed you guys a mini try-on haul in my previous vlog. It is so comfortable. It has like this little scrunchy part at the bottom, as you guys can see. The straps are also with that scrunchy part right here, and it's so flattering. It's so cute. I feel like whenever I go here, I know I'm gonna splurge on quality items that actually will last me a while and they feel really good and have a really good material, which is what this shirt has. Love. That's the good part. Oh my god, I love Abercrombie jeans. Whoever helped them with redesigning or reinventing themselves did a great job because these jeans were made for me, okay? There's only 3 jeans that fit really well, and that's Good American. Abercrombie is like number 1, then Good American, and then True Religion. Those 3, I don't care how much they cost, I will buy it because it's very hard for me to find jeans that are comfortable. But these jeans, baby, these jeans, these are it. I never really had a light blue jean before, so I was kind of nervous about getting it because I was like, damn, am I gonna like it next year? Am I gonna like it the year after that? Or am I gonna like it in 3 months because trends happen so fast? But really love the color. I love the distressedness on top of the jean, just how it just looks a little bit like, it just gives it some more detail and character, not your basic denim. And I actually found these in the sale section, but now I'm thinking about it, did she mark it on sale? I don't really know. I love the rip in the jean. Ugh, I just love these jeans. They're the perfect height. Now, I will say this also with Abercrombie jeans, which you should also consider if you're looking for jeans, is I'm a short girl. I'm 5'2". So for me, a lot of times, jeans don't fit me perfectly, especially when I put on heels, they're still too long. All the jeans that I've ever bought from Abercrombie fit amazingly perfect, okay? This one is a little bit on the longer side. I think if you wear heels, even a low heel, it will definitely still be a perfect length. Like, it won't be dragging on the ground, but it won't be too high up off the ground. Now, if you wear this with flats, it might touch the ground a little bit. You could probably cuff it and see how cute it can go. But I would say these are probably the longest jean that I have, denim that I have from Abercrombie. Then I went ahead and I got this shirt right here. Now, this shirt was in the sale section and I just had to have it. Like, I was like, I need that shirt. It is way too cute and I just love the color. So, and then I got this shirt in a small, and the material is so soft. It has like a very like brushed feel. I don't know, I love it. It's just, so many of their bodysuits I do like to get in a small because I feel like it just fits a little bit more snug and how I want it. The back is a thong. It does clasp at the bottom, which is hella important because you don't want to have to go to the bathroom and take off your whole shirt, okay? So I love that. Again, it's the color that got me. It's the detail in the front that got me. It's just so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. The best feeling ever. So I'm actually gonna take this with me on my trip. I love this little front part because you can kind of control how much cleavage you want to show or if you don't want to show any. So the second top that I got was this brown top, and I'm honestly here for this string detailing in the front that Abercrombie has going on with a lot of their items. I just feel like it's so cute, so trendy, but still kind of like a little bit classy. Love the color. The color is what got me. I've been into browns, as you can see lately, and I got this in a medium. Obviously you can control the scrunch or how much cleavage you want to show by pulling this, but we want to show a little something. We want to show some of the girls off. These newfound titties need to be shown throughout these little peeps. It's a crop, obviously, and it's so soft. It is the same material as this gray shirt, but it's so soft and it just feels so good against your skin. So highly recommend this top. I feel like this could be worn with a lot of stuff. Pants, skirts, nice white flowy pants. Like, it's such a vibe. So next I got this top, and I had to have it. Now they had this top in white. Sorry, the mic just got messed up. They had this top in white, and I really wanted it in white, but I could not find my size, and I was not going to squeeze into an extra small or a small because this does not stretch at all. So instead of me not being able to grab my drink, I decided to size up and get a medium. And it's so cute. I love the little, like, the opening right here. You can actually control, again, if you want to, you know, show cleavage or not. There is a little clasp by the boob area. Now, I love Abercrombie for doing this because it's like they want to give you the option to be sexy, but they're like, if you don't want to be too sexy, you can also close it up. But let's give you the option to do both, which makes this shirt perfect for daytime and nighttime. You can open it up to show a little something off at night, but in the daytime, you could be conservative. You know what I'm saying? There is a little scrunch back here, which I love that about it. But yeah, it's a nice black shirt. It came in 3 colors. It came in blue, and then it also came in white, and I really wanted the like really soft powdery blue, but I was like, Simone, your bill's gonna already be high, so let's tread lightly, let's not do too much. So that's why I didn't really focus on getting the other 2, but hopefully it's still in stock and I can buy it next month. I already spent enough. The next item I got was these white jeans, guys. They're not really white, but they're like a off-white, like a beigey kind of color, and they fit so good. And my favorite part about these jeans, like my most favorite, is the split at the end. And the reason why I'm emphasizing that is because I bought these other jeans from Pretty Little Thing, and those things are so long that even if I wanted to get it hemmed, it's gonna cost me $1 million because it has a split and they're gonna have to do the hem there and everything, and I'm like, so it's too long for me. But this jean fits just perfect. And then as far as with heels, you can't wear these with flats because they are a little bit long. Another thing, Abercrombie jeans do come in 3 different sizes if you are ordering online or if you're lucky in store. So I believe they have like a short, a tall, and a regular, because this says 6R. And this is the 90s straight ultra high rise. I love all their high rises. I'm not a low rise girl right now, but I love their 90s high rise. It fits perfect, okay? These jeans have a teeny bit of stretch. That's important to tell you guys because I wear a 6. Oh, and all my jeans I got a size 6. These jeans have a little bit of stretch. Now, is it a lot of stretch? No. So if you like your jeans to be a little bit loose but still snug, you might want to go up a size, but this is the perfect size for me. I don't need to go up at all. Guys, I went to Zara the same day to try on jeans, and it was freaking torture. Like, the jean would not go up my inner thigh. And I'm like, Zara, who are you making these damn clothes for? This is not for humans. Even if I didn't have thighs, I feel like it still wouldn't go up my calves. No stretch at all, just stiff as possible. The next thing that I got was these shoes. I thought they were so freaking cute, and they actually match perfect, well, close enough, with the brown shirt. So I figured that I was gonna pair this together with a cute pair of denim. And yeah, but they're really comfortable, and they have like a little, like right here also stretches. So I have wide feet and these fit perfect. I'm also a size 6.5, and these run like these are like one whole size. So it says 6'7". Well, I guess it's 2 sizes, 6'7". And these were about $50. This jean, how much is this jean? I don't know how much this thing costs. I don't know. It's not even in American dollars. It's in Euro and UK. All right. So the other pair of jeans that I'm going to show you is already from a pre-recorded video that I posted on TikTok and that everyone loved. But these jeans are also from Abercrombie. I love the dark blue wash. I love the little slit at the knee. Like, I just love the way it fits. It is a nice higher, it is higher. So it's not, again, a low rise. And I love to wear those jeans with like a cute basic heel and like a really cute bodysuit. Now, I will say this. Those have the least amount of stretch out of all the jeans that I did show you. Those are a little bit more of a firmer fit, but I was okay with that. I made sure I tried it on in store so that I didn't have to worry about returning if I didn't like the way it fit later on. However, I feel like it was definitely worth it. It's probably my most worn jean. So if you guys ever see me on TikTok or Instagram in the same jeans, mind your business, okay? Just mind your business, that's all. So that's my favorite jeans. Love it, love it, love it. But yes, so I wanted to show you guys all those items from my try-on haul. All the links for everything will be down below. Absolutely love the way everything feels. Absolutely love the way everything looks. Totally worth it. So I would say definitely, it's really important to invest in a good pair of jeans because you want to be comfortable, okay? I've had jeans that are not. These are all comfortable and they make you just feel so good to just pull them on, and they just fit so well. Definitely check them out. All the links to everything will be down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Zoe, she just invited herself to the party.